Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Couple Makes Traffic Stop 10 Times Worse After Refusing Police Orders."
On October 19, 2025, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle with a non-functioning taillight.
Okay, it's something simple.
Hey, can you roll his back window for me right quick? I'm sorry, I can't hear much. Can you just roll down his back window for me?
I said, what does he have to roll it down for?
Just so I can see inside the car real quick. Hi. Sorry about that. Okay, yeah, if you just keep it down for me. It's just a safety thing, that's all. I just don't like walking past people I can't see, that's all. Ain't no big deal. You're not going to shoot back or nothing, right? That's all. Say what now? Okay. Hi, I'm David Randall, the sheriff. So I just got body care. The reason I'm sorry is because there's no tail lights on the back of the car, no play lights or nothing. What's that about?
They just told me when I was up there.
Oh, okay. Ain't no big deal. Just like a wiring issue or something. Okay, cool.
So I'm going to take it to my dad's car.
Okay. He can fix it and stuff? Yeah, no big deal, man. There's a black car in the middle of the night. I don't want you getting hit or something.
Oh, for sure.
Where you guys headed?
We got to go home.
Yeah, like, where's that at, though?
Over there by Piccadilly.
Oh, okay. So you'll be on like lit roads the whole way. You ain't going down no like country roads where someone's gonna freaking run in the back of you. No big deal. Okay, cool. You got driver's license and insurance on you, ma'am? Thank you. And you said it's your car. You got insurance for it somewhere? You just got a fine on your phone or something? Okay, no big deal. Just go ahead and say the car. I'll just get you a quick warning for the lights, and then whenever I come back up here, I'll just take a look at it. Okay? Yep. You can roll up the windows if it's right. Oh, yep. For April to for another week or so. Okay, cool.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Just go ahead and hang tight. I'll be right back with you guys. I'll get you out of here. Okay.
Thank you.
A Buick right there
Okay.
running pills and weed. All right, so 3 people in the car. Female driver. I'm gonna pull her out.
Wait, pills and weed. Wait, hold on, man. Damn, I thought this was a simple stop. Boy, okay, simple traffic. Fix a ticket, warning.
Week or so. Okay, cool.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Just go ahead and hang tight. I'll be right back with you guys. I'll get you out of here. Okay.
Thank you.
A Buick right there is running pills and weed. All right, so 3 people in the car. Female driver. I'm gonna pull her out. If you just want to watch, there's one guy in the back seat on this side and the RO's in the front passenger. He's drunk and already kind of argumentative. Smells like weed. I'm just gonna pull her out, ask her a few questions. So we'll pull them all out, search them all. Hello. Hi, you just want to come back here real quick? I'll get you this paperwork and get you guys out of here.
I gotta get out
Yeah.
for the paperwork.
Yeah.
Bro, just tell the truth. What are y'all doing? That doesn't make sense.
Just come on back here. I'll give you the paperwork and then I'm gonna go over a few things and we'll get you guys out of here, okay?
You're going to tell the truth and then
Why do I have to get out? What's going on?
Because I'm asking
tell
you
her
to.
why she's stepping out, then she's going to apply.
I mean, that's what I started with. Yeah, usually.
I mean, I don't like that method. I see why cops do it. They try to make it seem like something else just to get them out of the car, and then they're gonna move forward. But me personally, I'm blunt, so I like a more direct approach instead of being around the bush. But if you tell them why then they might start getting combative or drive off and stuff like that. So you kind of, I see that method, and a lot of cops use that. I don't know if they're trained they're probably trained to use that, but I like a direct approach because either way, you're getting out of the car. So it's gonna go one or two ways. Either way, you getting out of the car, whether I tell you a roundabout way, some bullshit just to get you out, or listen, I suspect you a DUI or whatever, or I want you to run through some tests, whatever. Step out of the car, man. As soon as I tell you step out the car and you don't step out the car, it's lit. It's on. It's, what I'm saying? Act right, man. Once they asked for the ID, I thought it was gonna be one of these. You know how they do with the no ID. So I thought it was gonna be one of those. But so far, so good. Everything was pretty good. But I just don't like I like being blunt and direct. I'm a direct person, man. So, and they can smell that bullshit. Like, get out of the car for paperwork. Just be honest. What it is? What's up, man? Just what's up? What's up? What's the problem? You know, like that.
It all makes sense.
Let me know, because I'm curious. Let me know in the comment section below. Are you more blunt and direct? Do you like that approach? Or you like the bullshitting around approach? Like, just telling them any old thing just to get them out the car. The whole bullshit part, you know?
When I talk to you,
why she's getting out there, she's gonna comply.
It's cold. Like,
You tell her why she's getting out there, she's gonna comply.
because I'm going to investigate a few more things, okay? And I'm going to give you this paperwork.
It's nothing to.
It's not an option. I'm telling you to get out or you go to jail. Those are your options.
Jail for what?
For not getting out of the car.
And you're gonna get sued, dumbass.
Do you want to get out of the car?
Oh, get him together. Oh, get him together.
I bet you don't take her to jail without taking me.
Hey, dude, relax, man.
I don't get no y'all ass tweaking. What you talking about? All y'all. What you talking
Ma'am,
about?
can we him since he's...
I didn't do it.
Hey, you're going to...
Calm down.
Just stay with her. Stay with her. Stay with her.
Oh, yeah. Get him together first.
Why she getting out the car?
You're getting out of the car.
Now
Tell me
you
why
getting
she getting
out.
out the car.
Step out.
Now you getting out.
You're going to get tased. No.
Taser. Oh, got him together. Oh, shit. Oh, got him in the rain. Oh, he's getting all wet.
Flip him towards you, Adam. We're fine. Keep her. Just get his fucking head.
Y'all soft as hell.
Watch the back seat. Watch her in the back seat.
God damn, why has he got to get so...
Because why you couldn't give me an explanation, bro? Why you couldn't give me an explanation, bro? That was that simple, bro. You're a citizen, bro. What the y'all thought that taser was gonna do something?
We're
That shit was
fine
weak.
here. Just watch the
That shit was weak. That taser wasn't shit.
Back
I
seat.
could have really did something. That weak ass taser. I asked a simple question.
Right here, right
It
here.
was simple, bro. Right or wrong, bro. Stop. Right or wrong, though. I asked a simple question. No, I don't have nothing. I asked a simple question, bro.
I know.
I don't do this.
I don't owe you
But if
explanations.
and I don't owe you an explanation.
But
When
you're not going to start reaching in your bag saying, watch
I didn't
this.
reach. What bag?
Whatever's in your hand, you said,
What
watch
bag,
this.
dumbass?
Whatever's in your
Go
hand.
look in the front.
Jacket,
dumbass.
bag,
You
whatever it
sound
was.
dumb. Talk about weak ass taser. I could have really did y'all to that weak ass. Y'all weak as. I didn't Jesus. Y'all weak as. I hope y'all know that. Weak as. Both of y'all.
Turn around.
Soft as hell.
Are his hands empty? Get in the car. You're under arrest.
I don't get arrest me.
All right, ma'am. Go ahead and get on back here.
Stop touching me.
Hop out.
Fuck, I've been compliant.
Well, you haven't.
No, you haven't.
How do y'all want me to move? I don't want to get
You
tased.
step this way. Go. Okay, come over here.
What did I do? What is the
You really didn't do
problem?
much, but
That's what I'm saying. I tried to calm him down.
I know you didn't. I appreciate that. I did recognize that. Okay. He's obviously drunk and escalated for whatever
I'm
reason.
driving them home.
I know, and I appreciate that. I take it. Are you a sober one here or
Yes,
what?
in the car, the lights were messed up, and we just found out. That's why I
I know.
chose to drive,
And
because
it's
I
no
knew we
big
were
deal.
probably going to get pulled over.
Right. I know. I seen you guys in the parking lot. You seen me. You went the other way.
Yes,
I know.
And then I drove.
I know. So I'm here. I'm trying to make sure everyone's safe to drive things like that. I get it. You guys leave your bars 3 in the morning, whatever. So that's why I stopped you for the no lights.
Right. So why did I have to get out? Why did it just escalate like
Well,
that?
because I also smell the odor of cannabis coming from you.
Okay, so search the car. Y'all
That's what
could
I
have
was gonna
said
do.
that. You just said get out.
Okay.
Like, that's giving us suspicion vibes. You could have just said
Right.
that.
Okay.
That's why he crashed out like that. You could have just said you wanted to search the car. We would have got out. Let you search
Okay.
the car.
Or you throw it and drive, you take off, because that's happened to me
No,
before as well.
I don't know.
I just don't know you.
Drive off.
I just don't know
I
you.
was about to get out.
Listen, I know, but from my
Oh
perspective,
See, I said that. That's what. See, I feel like that's why cops do the BSing tactic. You know, they just tell you some BS to get you out of the car instead of just being blunt. Cause whatever, you know what I mean? Like, you take off, you take shit. We on a high speed chase, shit. I don't give a fuck. Let's go. I'm getting paid the same. I mean, let's go. It's lit. You know, like it's. either way you getting out, but I see, you know, cops don't want to do all of that, you know, but it seems like she would like a more direct approach, and the guy as well, you know. But at the end of the day, you're not controlling the show. So that's that. Step out the car. Get out the car, come talk about this paperwork. You know, that shit just sound dumb. Like that shit just, you know, that's some bullshit. Like you know that's some BS. You step out the car for some paperwork. What? Other officers would be like, well, I smell the odor of, you know, cannabis, yada yada. Step out the car. You know, I like the more direct approach, but whatever.
I don't know you. And at the end of the day, if the cops tell you to do something, you do it. That's what we're gonna do. Is there a little bit of weed in the car or what?
No, we haven't smoked. We just left the fucking bar.
Are there any weapons in the vehicle?
No.
Why is he saying watch this and then grabbing it, whatever's in his hand? He's drunk and crashing out?
He just got fired. He's just overstimulated. It's just too much for him right now. He doesn't have anything. He's not going to do anything. He's just mad and angry. That's it. That's all.
All right, and I seen that you were trying to talk him down. I appreciate that, but sometimes when people are that drunk, they're just going to do whatever, okay? So just go ahead and hang tight. Like I said, I just have a traffic warning for you. If it's a little bit of weed in there, I don't care. We'll stomp it out, and that's that. Okay? Is it just a little bit? We don't have like a pound of weed? We don't have any dead bodies in the trunk?
No.
Okay. I understand it's probably scary. I apologize. So let's just take a deep breath.
This doesn't even grab me. It pushed me down to the ground. I didn't even do anything.
So I'm the
driver.
Ma'am, I didn't do anything. Yes, you did.
It's fine. It's fine.
He
It's fine.
grabbed my arm,
Let's just take a few
bro.
deep breaths.
He pulled me down.
Let's take a few deep breaths.
What do you need me to do?
This guy's can you keep her away from him? Okay, she can just stand over here, calm down. We're gonna search him and get everybody out of here.
Do those connectors, do those lungs hit?
I'm not for sure. Go and step one out for me, boss.
Come on, man. I ain't gotta step on you.
Say what now?
I ain't gotta step up for
Dude, did you see what just happened to the last guy? Just hop out. We're not trying. We're trying to get you guys home. This sweet girl right here is scared out of her mind. This guy already escalated everything. We don't need you to escalate things more. Let's just, because we're about to search the car that smells like weed in here.
can't not do that. That's
We can. Do you want to be forced out as well, man?
You can't touch me, bro.
Well,
I can answer that, officer. I can answer that. I think the question was, does he wants to be forced out also? Yes. Yes, he does. And it would be great for entertainment. Please force him out because he's not acting right. So, you know what we got to do. We got to get him together.
% can. Step out. I don't care. Step out. I'm asking you and I'm telling you to step out. Will you please step out of the vehicle? Okay, step out of the vehicle. Okay, we're going to touch you.
Come on, dude.
Turn around. Okay, Adam, calm down.
Got him.
That's just soft. They soft as hell.
Got it on the other side over there.
And you
What now?
I'm going to jail already. I don't get no. You're a bitch.
If you want to get out the jail tonight, you need to calm down.
I'm getting out of jail regardless, dumbass. What you talking about?
We're going to throw you in a cell.
You took me out of my car for no reason, stupid.
Okay.
I'm not coming shit down. I got everything on record.
I know.
Yeah.
I love you. Just calm down.
I knew you.
Let him get it out. Let him
Took
get
me
it
out of
out.
my car for what?
Okay, but calm.
Bro, whatever. Y'all soft as hell. And I let y'all take me down. I couldn't really did that to y'all.
We'll walk away from him. You can say your final
See, I
things, but
love
he's
you.
obviously...
Call me. You hear me?
Go ahead. Okay, so he's got his phone, he's got your phone number, you don't have any questions. Well, let me get your warning right quick, hold on. Yep, probably.
The man was charged with resisting officers and taken to jail. Thanks for watching today.
So the only one going home was, because they didn't put it on there, but I'm sure the other guy, he got cuffed too. He did the same thing the other one did, so he would have been charged with the same exact thing. So the only one that got any brains with her, at least somewhat, is the girl. I mean, I say somewhat just because she was being controlled by the guy. Like the guy was trying to her boyfriend or whoever it was trying to dictate stuff, and she was actually listening. instead of listening to the officer. So she got a little bit of brains, you know, because she actually ended up going home, you know, unlike she didn't end up like the other two. But yeah. You ain't controlling shit, man. Get your ass together. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.